Hey people, so I just discovered something very new that is like it's like a revelation to me that if you were to watch even a web series, especially like this Sushmita Sen starrer called Arya, it has 9 episodes and each episode is almost like 53 minutes long, so it's almost an hour. And for the first time, like since I was so keen to do a very in-depth review of this particular series, I made sure to watch it from start to finish, which was, I think, one of the biggest achievements of my life, really. Like in terms of normally any particular series, web series, you would watch it for 15-20 minutes and then decide that because decide that you have other things to do. But in this case, I have to say, yeah, right from the casting to the, I mean, Arya, the this particular web series kind of draws you in. And I'll be honest, I'm a big fan of Namit Das, the actor. And except that he is seen in a very negative role in this particular series. And I mean, he has such a cherubic, impish little face that to see him in as a drug addict in the series was as an audience you feel like, no, yeah, this guy should be spouting funny dialogues. I mean, what is this? I mean, because that's my only grouse against this particular series, that it is so heavy on there's this whole the crime mafia and whatever, it's all about smuggling cocaine across the border and all that. There are hardly any of these light moments, and most people would want to watch something for the light moments. But seriously, it's like and Sikandar Kher, if there is one character in the series who blends with the Rajasthani backdrop. I mean, he plays the role of this henchman, or not henchman, like he's the right hand man of this the this owner of a pharmaceutical company. And so his performance is so understated yet so powerful. I mean, it is, I think, Sikandar Kher is one of the most underrated actors we have today. I mean, seriously, like his character, his role alone can give you goosebumps, because you, as a viewer, you discover some things in the final episode. So really, people, this is a very long review. It's almost going to be 3 minutes, but uh, Shushmita Sen, I kind of watched it because most of us, it's been 25 years since she's been Miss Universe, but she was the country's first Miss Universe, the title holder. So she brings a certain warmth to her character, and it is for her alone. Like she plays a single mom in the, because Chandrachud Singh, her husband, is he he dies within the first 2 episodes, I think. So, but really, people, you all should try and catch it. It's called Arya, and it is one of the most brilliantly made web series I have ever seen. So, on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.